Ocean Power Technologies has earned the Trusted Operator status in the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International's AUVSI Maritime Certification Program. The AUVSI Trusted UMS Operator Program is designed to establish a high standard for training, proficiency, and safety in the operation of uncrewed maritime systems (UMS). According to Philip Stratman, President and CEO of Ocean Power Technologies, the recognition reinforces the confidence customers have in the company as a reliable partner for persistent maritime domain awareness and mission-critical operations. The Trusted Operator designation provides a framework for standardizing skills and practices across the industry, helping customers and stakeholders identify operators who meet high standards of performance and accountability. This achievement complements Ocean Power Technologies' broader commitment to quality, safety, and innovation across its buoy and autonomous surface vehicle (ASV) solutions. The company's services and solutions cater to the defense, security, and ocean energy industries, and the certification demonstrates its ability to deliver reliable and effective solutions in demanding maritime environments. This builds on recent success of the first sea trial for the WAM-V-22 at a U.S. Coast Guard-approved test site in southern New Jersey. The sea trials were conducted for a customer with substantial operations in sub-Saharan Africa. The company's test site in New Jersey has been permitted following site visits and operational reviews by the U.S. Coast Guard, allowing Ocean Power Technologies to test its equipment year-round on either coast. According to Philip Stratman, the completion of the sea trials marks a significant step forward for the company. The ability to test at the newly permitted site will make it easier for customers to receive their products and reduce the time from booking to revenue recognition. This development is expected to enhance the company's operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. The WAM-V-22 is a key product for Ocean Power Technologies, and the successful completion of the sea trials demonstrates the company's capabilities in delivering innovative and effective maritime solutions. With its expertise in cost-effective, low-carbon, and artificial intelligence maritime services, Ocean Power Technologies is well-positioned to support a range of industries, including defense, security, and ocean energy. The company's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction is reflected in its continued investment in testing and development capabilities. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.